You guys, he has boogers, and they're sticking to my fingers.
Ew. Boogers. Hi everybody, it's Monkeys at Play, Mommy and
Julia, hi!
Hi everybody! Today, we are going to be making some slime. We found these at our local Target in their special front section. The first one here we have is make your own unicorn slimy gloop. You can add sparkly gems, yay! And the other one is make your own galaxy slimy gloop. And we can add sparkly glitter to it. The first one that we're going to do is
the unicorn.
Yeah, the unicorn one. You want to do that one first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the unicorn one first.
So move it over here a little bit so I can read it too.
Okay. So it comes with everything that you need. It says it right here on the box. 1 measuring cup, 1 sodium tetraborate, 2 coloring dyes, 1 plastic spoon, 25 gemstones, the white glue, a mixing stick, and easy to follow instructions. It was pretty cool. We got excited when we saw this. The other side of the box, it just shows the same thing as the front. So we're excited to see, how this turns out. So let's get going. Let's open it.
Bada bum, bada bing. Let's open this thing.
Bada boom, bada bing. Let's open this thing. I like that. That's cute.
I learned that.
Oh, and I like this little seal that it has on it here.
Thank you. I learned that on the internet.
It says quality assured, safety tested.
Yeah. Safety tested.
So let's see.
Go down, camera. And your legs will go down.
Okay, so let's see. Whoa, that's a pretty big box.
Yeah.
And this is what you get in the box. It's a little baggie. So let's open up the little baggie. Oh, look, there's your steering stick. It's already poking through.
You need a stick.
Give you the stick. Okay. And let's see everything that's in here. Okay. So here is our measuring cup, the mixing spoon.
We got some glue.
Here are our dyes. It looks like it comes with kind of like a reddish pink and a purple.
And we have our glue.
Yes, the white glue.
And we have some powder.
Here is the tetraborate powder, which once this is mixed with the glue, that's what activates the chemical reaction. And we get the slime.
And then here's our gemstones.
Let me see. Oh, look how pretty. Look at the gemstones.
You can really see it that good. That's really good. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
Let me get it focused here. There we go. We'll open those up later. And then what was the stick for?
To mix it. Duh.
Oh, a mixing stick. Okay. Well, it also has a spoon, so. And then here's the easy to follow instructions. So let's take a look at what it says, okay? So make your own unicorn slimy goop. Easy to follow instructions. Follow these 4 rules. Do not eat the slimy gloop.
Yeah.
Be careful not to splash any solution in your eyes. Wash hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after each use. Be sure to cover your work area so making slimy goop can get a bit messy. Yes, so we covered our work area. We have this cool little tray here that we're going to be using. So we'll maintain the mess here. And then we have instructions. So it tells us, all of our supplies. So we are going to use a disposable cup. So it recommends here to fill a disposable cup with 0.845 fluid ounces, 25 milliliters of warm water.
I'll go and get the cup.
Okay, go get the cup and then we'll fill it with warm water. Okay? Okay, so we got the water. It's warm water in a disposable cup. Ta-da!
So these are what we are going to use to mix this stuff. We got 2.
Yeah. Well, since there's 2 colors.
Yeah.
And then that way you guys can see what we're mixing since they're kind of clear and see-through.
Or we can mix the colors together. That's what I want to do.
You want to mix the colors together?
Yeah, but you can do anything you want.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take the first container. Okay.
This is my container.
Yeah. And then we have to do, it says 25 25 milliliters of water.
Wow.
So I'm gonna fill it up for you.
That's my cup. Yay, yay.
So let's do 25 milliliters of water. Let's see, is that 25? Yep, 25. Okay, so we measured out the 25 milliliters of water, and Julia's gonna pour it in the container.
Mm-hmm.
Dun, da, da.
And remember,
Okay.
you guys remember, my mom is my assistant. I'm the star of this stone. Wait, what?
The star of this show.
Alright, so
I'm your assistant.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too.
Wait, what was
I love your socks.
Excuse me.
Okay, so the next step says to measure a level scoop with the plastic spoon of the sodium tetraborate and pour it into the water and stir the solution with the plastic spoon until it is dissolved.
I'm gonna mix it in.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pour it in
Okay. Then
because it says not to get this on your skin. That looks about right? Yeah, I mean, that's a level scoop, huh? Okay, I'm gonna pour that in. Okay, go ahead and mix it.
I want to use the mixing stick. Oh,
Well,
no,
you're
the
supposed to, it
mixing-
says use the plastic spoon. So let's use the plastic spoon.
Let me use it.
Pate, chocolate. It's not chocolate, but you know. It's not dissolving very well.
I think I have to wait for it to dissolve or something.
Well, let's pour this in a cup. I'm gonna pour this in a cup, and I'm gonna try again with some warmer water. So let's try again with some warmer water this time. So I'm gonna get warmer water. Okay, so we're gonna try this again.
Yeah.
We
You
got warmer water this time.
You guys.
I don't know, our water seems to be cooling down really
You
fast.
guys, yes, I turned it to a stick. Yes, I turned it to a stick.
You turned it into a stick.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the 25 milliliters of warmer
Let
water.
me try to mix it. I can't mix it now that I missed it.
Let me dry off the spoon.
Okay.
Let's get the
Ooh,
sodium tetraborate.
Bubble. I want to pop the bubble.
I don't know if I'm saying that wrong, y'all. So if you want to leave a pronunciation in the comments, please feel free to. Or tell us a funny joke to counter Julia's funny joke. So
Excuse me,
let's
it's not
see.
a joke off.
A joke off, that would be hilarious. That's actually a really good idea, Julia, to have a joke off. So if you guys want to leave like silly, funny, corny jokes in the comments, then we will choose some of them and we will read them out on one of our videos, and we'll do a joke off between jokes that Julia likes to tell and what you guys go ahead and give us.
You guys, I'm gonna try to hold this.
Okay, I think this is dissolving a lot better than the last batch. And finally, it is mixed and it's mostly dissolved. So Julia pointed something out. If you guys want to go ahead and leave a comment below, if you know a better way of getting the sodium powder to dissolve better. We tried room temperature, warm water, and even hot water, and it doesn't seem to dissolve all the way. There's still kind of a bit of powder in the bottom. I don't know, maybe we over measured the powder or what, but we're gonna go ahead and just set it aside. Okay, so next step is it said to do another 25 milliliters of warm water.
But you guys,
So go ahead and pour it in.
If you guys have to do this, I done it. Something like this, so anyways. Pouring all like that.
Awesome. Okay, and then we have to do 16 milliliters of white glue into the measuring
I'm
cup.
gonna pour it in.
Okay, you're gonna pour it in here?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. We have to fill it up to, oh goodness, it says 16, this goes to 15.
Okay, then tell me this.
So I guess fill it up to 15. Okay, so Julia's going to pour the glue now. So we have to pour it to this line here. Okay, where my finger is.
Just tell me when to stop.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh my god.
Squeeze it. Go for it.
I'm trying to.
And then I'll watch the line. We're almost there. I think another good squirt might do it. Oh, maybe more. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see. Is that about right?
Yeah, that's alright, I guess.
Yeah, I think that should be good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's time to pour this into the warm water.
And I get to mix it.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm gonna touch the steak right now.
Well, let's scoop it out of here first.
Great. A good scooping.
Let's scrape the glue out of the measuring cup that they gave us. And let's hope we're doing this right. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, you want to stir?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Stir that baby up.
So you gotta mix it. Okay, so we're gonna keep stirring. I think that's good. Okay, so now we can slowly pour the sodium solution into the glue solution.
It's bubbling.
Until you get the right consistency and all the water is absorbed. It's not supposed to bubble.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to bubble. Okay, so let's slowly mix this in.
Okay, let me mix it.
Okay, you mix, I pour. This is slowly. I guess we'll see if we did this right.
If we did,
Come on. Oh, look, it's starting to clump. Hurry, mix, mix, mix.
this is so awesome.
It's getting clumpy. It's getting clumpy. Look, y'all, it's getting clumpy.
Awesome, you guys.
Keep stirring.
Looks like cotton candy versus slime. Yeah, because it's like building around them.
So just keep stirring until all of the liquid is gone.
Disgusting.
So let's see if I can adjust the camera here so you guys can kind of see better. Can I try?
Yeah, you can try anything you want.
So keep stirring. Oh, well, that's our puppy, Rosie.
Yeah.
Come here, Rosie. You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. That's our Rosie. Yes. Hi, Rosie.
Oh,
Are you trying to see what we're
it's
doing?
building off the.
Trying to see what we're doing?
Look, it's getting stretchy.
Oh, yay.
After this, make sure you wash your hand, guys.
Yeah, it says to make sure you wash your hands really well.
So, you guys, we just realized that when you like leave the thing in place for so long, it like kind of sticks to the container. So we just know that.
Yeah, so what we went ahead and did, can I see it real fast? So what we went ahead and did is because it was just taking forever to mix, to turn it into slime, we just let it sit. And as we let it sit, it finally started to absorb all the excess water.
Yeah.
And so we now have a really cute light pink slime here.
But if you want to add some decoration to it, you
It's super, super sticky slime.
Yeah, but I really want to.
And it's a little chunky too because the glue didn't dissolve all the way.
Can I try to hold it?
And this is our first time with one of these kits. Of course, come here. And it's
feels-
like super sticky.
It feels wet.
Yeah, it does feel wet because it's slime.
Ew. That's good.
Oh my goodness! Like, look at that. Look,
Maybe
like
it's
like
supposed to be
stuck
chunky.
all
Mom, maybe it's
over
supposed
my
to be
fingers.
chunky for a reason because it says chunky and glumpy.
Yeah, chunky and glumpy. See if I can get it off my fingers here. I don't think I can. Oh, be careful. You're going to fling it everywhere. Yeah, super sticky. We've made slime other ways before. So we'll have to do that and post some videos of us making slime other ways. But this is the first time we've ever done it from like a kit, which is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look, it's like, looks like pink boogers.
You guys look.
It doesn't even really look super pink on the camera. It's kind of lightly pink.
Mom, you guys look. It gives me webs. Give me webs.
Gave you web fingers.
Get off that web. Get these web fingers. Ah!
Okay. So I'm gonna grab a napkin and I'm gonna try to clean my hands here. I wonder if at this point, if we can add more color. Why don't we try to add more color?
End of the video, but we're just doing some funny cuts before we do this.
Oh, and that's our dog. She's barking at the wind, by the way.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
just a puppy.
But
so.
wait, our lizard is half red, half yellow, and half black.
Is he bathing in the slime?
After this, he's gonna take a real bathe. After this, he's gonna take a real hot bathe.
I would not want to take a bath in slime. That feels gross.
Yeah.
Would you take a mud bath?
No way.
No? I want to try a mud bath.
Mud baths are disgusting.
Not if it's at a spa. That would be fun.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some right here.
Bye-bye. Got a bath.